Lesson 28. What kind of music do you like, Paul? What kind of music do you like to listen to? All kinds, but mostly pop, rock and classical. Why? I have tickets to a show. Do you want to go with me? What kind of music is it, pop? It's Mariah Carey. When is it? At 8 p.m. tomorrow night. Yeah, I'd like to go. Do you think we should have dinner first? Yes, that's a good idea. Let's eat at the restaurant across the street from my apartment. Oh, I think I know the place you mean. We ate there last month, right? Yes, that's right. You have a good memory. Lesson 29. Going to the library. Lisa, would you like to go to the library with me? Do you think we can go buy a newspaper first? Sure. First we'll go buy a newspaper and then we'll go to the library. Are we going to walk or drive? The weather is really nice today. Let's walk. The weather is good now, but I think it's supposed to rain this afternoon. All right, then let's take an umbrella. Is your brother coming with us? No, he's still sleeping. Wow, it's already 10 a.m. He must have been up late last night. Yeah, he didn't come home until 12 a.m. I hope he can come later. I hope so too. I'll give him a call when we get there. How do we get to the library from here? It's straight down this road on the left, next to the museum. It takes about 10 minutes. Lesson 30. Where do your parents live? Hi Melissa, are you going home this weekend? No, not this weekend. I have too much work to do. Where do your parents live? My father lives in Washington, D.C. How about your mother? My mother died 2 years ago. Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Is your father still working? No, he's retired. Do you have any family here? Yes, 2 of my cousins live here and my aunt and uncle live about 30 miles from here. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have 2 brothers who live in New York and a sister who lives in Boston. Do you see them a lot? Not as much as I'd like to. Usually just on holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Lesson 31. Can you help me find a few things? I can't find my glasses. I can't see anything. Can you help me find a few things? No problem. What are you looking for? My laptop. Do you see it? Yes, your laptop is on the chair. Where's my book? Which one? The dictionary. It's under the table. Where's my pencil? There's a pencil in front of the lamp. That's not a pencil. That's a pen. Oh, sorry. There is a pencil behind the cup. How about my backpack? Do you know where that is? It's in between the wall and the bed. Where are my shoes? They're on the left side of the TV. I don't see them. Sorry, I made a mistake. They're on the right side of the TV, thanks. Oh, and here are your glasses. They were next to your cell phone. Lesson 32, paying for dinner. Excuse me. Check, please. Okay, how was everything? Very nice. Thank you. Would you like this to go? Yes. Can you put it in a plastic bag? Sure, no problem. Here you are. That'll be $25. Do you take credit cards? Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard. Okay, here you are. Thanks. I'll be right back. Here's your receipt. Thank you. You're welcome. Please come again. Lesson 33, buying a plane ticket. Next, please. Hello. How can I help you? I'd like to buy a ticket to New York. Would you like one-way or round trip? Round trip. When will you be leaving? When does the next plane leave? In about 2 hours. I'd like a ticket for that flight, please. First class or coach? Coach. Okay, let me check availability. I'm sorry. Tickets for that flight are sold out. How about the one after that? Let me see. Yes, that one still has seats available. Would you like me to reserve a seat for you? Yes, please. That'll be $120. Thank you. Here's your change.